The purpose of Gouna Plus to create a more seamless experience for the end client. My name is Dina El Khachab, one of the co-founders of Eklego Design. Our design philosophy in general is often about the dialogue between us and whoever we're working with. I think Gouna is going through a little bit of a transformation in the sense that it's becoming more of a place where people are starting to live and spend more time there. So I think Gouna Plus was a fantastic idea. We've been working in Gouna for over the last 23 years. We as designers, whenever we do something for the client, it's seamless. So I think the purpose of Gouna Plus for everyone involved is mainly, obviously, to create a more seamless experience for the end client. In Gouna Plus showrooms, inspiration came from mainly this idea that the clients are supposed to have a palette to work with and different designers to work with, as well as different suppliers to work with. And I think the majority of the inspiration came from using as many designers as possible, having it as light and airy and not necessarily neutral, but accessible to people on all different styles and tastes. One of the advantages of Gouna Plus is also that they've created preset packages for the client. They've created preset packages where someone can come in and actually finance the package through Orascom development or through Gouna to furnish it right away. And quite amazing partnership for the tenants of Gouna. It's going to be great, and it will create probably much better products and also different collaborations in the future with Gouna Plus. So we're kind of excited about that.